So like before we start, I know Dev's here too.
Yeah,
Um, I like to hear like I guess like some of your goals and like what you guys want to accomplish with this class, and then we can dive into the course outline.
I'd like to be. I'm always interested in learning new types of uh, software and technology, and I think it'd be really cool. I've always wanted to use that technology to help other people. It's kind of been a goal, and judging from what BlockU does, I think I'll be able to accomplish that goal with in that way.
Okay, cool, cool. What about you, Dev?
So mainly, I just want to learn Solidity, like the branch of just distributed ledger technologies, um, and just kind of just see where I can take like my skills.
Okay, cool. Well, I feel like we can definitely do that together. So as I see things, like one of the most helpful things for me in learning how to write Solidity is going through Crypto Zombies. It was basically an online curriculum that teaches you how to create a game using blockchain technology, specifically Solidity and Ethereum. And so, like as I see our course outline, we're going to break this up into two 6-week courses. The first 6 weeks, we're going to focus on Solidity and the process of business discovery and technical discovery. About like 4 weeks, for the Crypto Zombies. There's in total about 3 sections, and like I went through it, and it's really not ridiculous. Like a lot of the information is provided there for you. It's meant to kind of be some type of like training wheel situation. And I think that the best way that we can kind of like, verify and document that you guys went through this is that like, it's called Crypto Zombies, but if you guys added your own spin to it, like cat zombies or, Stewart zombies, whatever you want, like, but like take the code and make it your own type of thing.
Okay.
We could then like take what you guys produce, put it on the blockchain and then associate with that a record with you guys, and then basically make a blockchain identity that can then like keep track that you guys learned this. And then like the other things that we do, technical discovery and stuff like that, we can also document your progress with that too. So I really don't think this is gonna be too hard. I think that like us being JavaScript developers, like this should really just be, an awakening of realizing how easy it is to write blockchain coding. And then, after 6 weeks, I want to give us a 2-week break, in which case we'll come back and work on doing hackathons and market applications. And so, like, that's why the NDAs were there. Like, in my opinion, I have this idea of what I want to roll out in regards to the market application we work on. And my ultimate goal is to give everyone royalties associated with it. I think that if we can, like, build something in this course and then launch it and then possibly sell it and then make money from it, that'd be one of the best case scenarios that will really show the value of what we're doing. So like one of my goals is definitely to, provide you guys with this course outline. I'll send you guys an email after this, and then I'll send you guys links to the Crypto Zombies. And basically you guys can go through that in your own pace. I will be available Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6:30 for basically, tutor sessions. If you guys have any problems or any questions, I'll be there to talk. And my goal is like for that to be like a 2-hour window where I'll be available. Just give me a call, give me a text or whatever, and then we can like hop on Zoom. And then ideally we can record those, and like if you guys have some questions, maybe other people have questions that we'll then answer in those sessions. So, all that being said, I mean, I feel like that's the basic outline. I think that like I know that blockchain development is something that's worth like money. I would say more than like a regular developer because it's a new technology. A lot of people don't know about it, but like the applications that we can like work on and deliver, I think really could change the world. And that's like one of the the reasons why like I'm excited about this. And like even in like my endeavors, I created smart contracts to basically help with transparent crowdfunding and basically create what's like a blockchain stock. And like one of my ultimate goals is to definitely like take this stock standard that I created, make sure you guys understand it. And then I think that we can then be leaders in the forethought of like bringing this to the market and creating the standard that other businesses can use. I figured the more people that use what we create, the more authority or like the more, I guess, valuable we become. Something like, creating an operating system, like, Windows and Mac basically have staying power because so many people use them, and they got that by being first to market and make sure people knew this is how, they do operating systems. So, all that being said, do you guys have any questions about, what we have to embark on?
I guess my only question is more about scheduling because of my job. Just like, when would we have like these classes?
Yeah. So I'm thinking like 6:30 Tuesdays and Thursdays, like essentially like me being there for TA hours, like is as I see the classes. And then like during those times, like I could also talk about the discovery. I think that for the first 4 weeks, essentially you guys would just be going through the Crypto Zombies tutorial that's very self-explanatory, and I'll just be there as a tutor to help you guys through that and then document the stuff. And like basically like I would definitely appreciate as you guys finish and make the code your own, we can then like record the code you guys have, put it on the blockchain, and I'll have those hashes. So like on that note, there are some tools that I definitely want to make sure you guys are aware of, and that's like Remix. Remix is something that you can use to deploy smart contracts to the test network and also the live network. And like what I'll do is definitely send links in the email after this, where you guys can see Remix and then like provide some tutorials that will help you guys throughout that process. Cool. You have any questions, Dev?
Yeah. So like tonight is like the kickoff. This is the first night of like the 6 weeks, and then we're just going to just like meet every week, this point of contact. What if like, is there like milestones that we have to be at by like a certain date?
Yes. So I definitely. So I definitely want to make it so like we wrap up the Crypto Zombies in 4 weeks. I'm sorry, yeah. Well, we're definitely in the same room, so that's why there's echo. Right. So there's 3 like courses throughout the Crypto Zombies, and like honestly, I kind of want you guys to go at your own pace, but I honestly feel like within the first week, if you guys give like 15 20 hours like on your own time, you guys can definitely like knock out the first there's that right there. You guys knock out the first lesson, and then like the second one can, I guess like I said, happen at your own time. So like milestone wise, like I kind of want you guys to tell me how quickly you can go, because like in my opinion, like with my free time or like how my stuff works, I can definitely knock out, I think, a lot of this in a week, right? But I know you guys might, have different schedules and stuff like that. So like my main concern or my main goal is that you guys knock this out within 4 weeks. As you guys make progress, let me know where you guys are and let me know if you have any questions. And then we can document the stuff and take it from there.
All right.
Cool. All right, cool. All right. Well, are there any other questions you guys have?
I don't think so.
How do you want us to document that?
Okay. So as you guys create your code, I will send you guys a link to Remix, and that's where you guys can take the code and add it to the Hopsin test network. And you guys send me those hashes. Every time you deploy a smart contract, it creates a hash, and that's what I will store and record. And then I can like pull in that code and see what you guys do, and like basically grade it and check it out for homework.
All right.
Okay. All right then. Well, I look forward to this stuff. So I'll definitely I'll send you guys an email with all the links and all the syllabus information, and then like keep me posted. Like the next meeting is definitely a Tuesday at 6:30.
All right, sounds good.
All right, cool. Well, you guys have a good one.
All right, thank you. You too.
All right.